Hi guys! If you want to see how I made this Mickey Mouse cupcake, just keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm making Mickey Mouse cupcake. The item I will be using, so it will be 2 different flavored cakes, the cupcake liners, and I even have a mini one. 2 different icing, whatever you want, you do. Some sheets to put inside my cupcake. This is just an option. I'm using the Oreos for Mickey's ears. I have a big one and the small one. Don't forget your cupcake trays. You have the small one and the big one. I have a big one and a small one. It's dirty, just a little. So we're gonna use those trays so we can put them in the oven. Now I got my cake mix batter ready. So we're gonna put it in that tray. Now I will get my cupcake trays ready. Now I will scoop my batter, my cake batter into these cupcake molds. Fill it up and only halfway. Yeah? Now I will put my sheets in my cupcake mix. One over here. Make sure you put it in the middle. Push it down a little bit. Now we'll cover the rest. They should look like this. Now I will work in the small one. Now my cupcakes are ready. I will bake them in the oven at 325 degrees for about 14 to 19 minutes or until they're done. I will be right back. Now it's time to decorate. My mommy will help me in the icing. Now the icing is on, so now I'm gonna put the ears. The ears are easy for me! Comment down below which flavor cupcake you like. Vanilla, chocolate or vanilla. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. See you next time. Bye!